फकत जिते रावू नाकात जगात, जगपाचो आनंद घेयात, जिवीत घडयात असो संदेश नामनेचे लेखक गुरुचरण दासान दिला. मंगळारा ICGत ताचे व्याख्यान जाले. आयकुप्यांनी व्हडा संख्येन हजेरी लायत ताच्या विचारांचो लाव घेतलो.
All of us, most of us, unless we are very wealthy, have to make a living. Why reinvent the wheel? Somebody's already figured it out. So you read books and you learn.
We had today the privilege of hosting Mr. Gurcharan Das, a very multifaceted person, intellectual, a writer, a captain of industry, and the audience was very privileged to listen to his advice, his philosophical advice about life, how to lead one's life, how to make a living, and he sort of impressed the audience with examples in his personal life, and so I think he made a very good impression, and I'm sure he will set people thinking of how one should look at life, how one should enjoy life, how one should spend one's life. So these are very important philosophical questions that he has raised, and and asked people to ponder over it. So we regularly have programs featuring very interesting public figures. This is for the benefit of our Goan community, including students and our members and our community. And the response has been very good.
GOA365 खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि संगीता ओली.